Hey there, in this video, we're going to write content for Amazon products using AI. Hi there, my name is Idan of Brand Centric. Alright, let's use Jasper to write content for Amazon products. So whether you're writing for affiliate products or you have your own e-commerce store, you can use Jasper AI to write amazing descriptions. Alright, we're going to use this product as an example. So this pressure washer, say we're writing an affiliate marketing write-up on this product. We'll input the product name. So it's basically this drag and drop. You drag this information from the top of Amazon. You're going to want to drag the about, okay, into the product info. All right, and now key benefits and features. All right, to get the key benefits and features, you can do a few things. You can search Google for, Sun Joe plus key benefits and features. You can do it that way, or you can just scroll down and look for information on Amazon. So, you can go down and look in the product description. You can look in the reviews. That's where I like to look for, in all the reviews. So I'm gonna go and press see all reviews, but not that one. I'm gonna go all the way down to the bottom of the page. Let's scroll down. Where is it? All right, we're gonna press see all reviews here, and we're gonna get some information from here regarding some key benefits and features. We're gonna use the public and use what they have said about this product. All right, so let's wait for it to load. 72% 5-star, 4-star 17%. Okay, so if your pressure washer completely stopped working, read this. I had bought this pressure washer just over 2 years ago for one job lasting about 4 hours total. Okay, we could either keep reading this and just pick what we like, or we can look and say, hey, this is 5 stars. Someone must have liked what this person had to say. Or we can do this. We can look for pros and cons, and we can extract information from there. So in this review, we have assembly is easy, can maneuver it easily as well, and the unit is not heavy. So let's just copy and paste all of that, 3,000, and drag the key benefits which we got from a reviewer. All right, so key benefits, assembly is easy, can maneuver. Okay, so generate 3 outputs, generate AI. All right. Sun Joe pressure washer is a lightweight pressure washer that has a strong motor and can be easily moved around. Sun Joe pressure washer is a great tool for cleaning your home and patio. All right, so this is great. We got the product description and we got its features, which I've copied and pasted. All right, but I'm gonna do that again, but go back here. So we're gonna copy and paste this from. I'm gonna get that, and we're gonna open a text edit. Well, I have one here. Let's all right, so that's this one, and then assembly is easy. This pressure washer comes with a soap dispenser, and then whatever you're writing about, you can just expand upon that. You can go into Jasper and finish your blog post, or just insert this portion into your blog post. If you don't want to write about the product, or the other method is some people go to YouTube and they search the product and they look up what people are saying on YouTube about it. But I really like this method. It's very easy, especially if you have a lot of products and you just want to go really quickly.